Want to get a better price on your parts? Send an offer today. We're here to guide you through the easy process of making an offer on the parts you need. Some sellers allow you to make offers on their items. To see if this is an option, log into your account, select the listing and look for the Make an Offer button. If it's available, click it to proceed. Once you click the Make an Offer button, a pop-up will appear. Enter the quantity of your items you're interested in and the price you're wanting to pay for each item. Hit Submit to send your offer directly to the seller. Now the ball's in the seller's court. The seller will review your offer and can choose to accept it, make a counter offer or decline it. Keep an eye on your account notifications for their response. Note that each party has 24 hours to respond to an offer. If no action is taken within that time, the offer will automatically be declined. If the seller counters your offer, you can negotiate up to 5 times to reach an agreement. If an offer is accepted, the item will automatically show in your cart. Proceed to the checkout to complete your purchase within 24 hours. Keep in mind that item will still be available for sale until you have checked out. To manage your offers on desktop, go to My Account and select My Offers under the buying header. Here you can view, manage or revoke your current and past offers. On the app, select the menu, then select My Offers under the buying header to view and manage your offers. If your offer hasn't been accepted, it may be because the seller has set a minimum bid for the item. Making an offer on ifndautoparts is simple and gives you more flexibility in negotiating the perfect price. Give it a try today.